I've got something nice. VideoMic Pro Plus. This is my first Rode microphone. They say on the internet it's really, really good. Well, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Well, it's definitely not that easy. Oh, is it done already? Okay. Sorry for that. The sticker was kind of thick. Rode microphone. Okay, so smells nice. Oh, very nice, my friend. What do we have here? It feels very light. It's just insanely light. Let's see. There's no battery inside. What's the weight on this device? Come on, turn on. 120 grams, 22. It's without the batteries. It's really, really light. With the batteries, let me just pop the battery. 153. It's I don't know. It feels kind of cheap plastic. Maybe it's good because it's light. Okay, so what are the buttons? It's power button. Decibels plus 20 minus 10. I don't know what this is. We have a hole for the jack and the power. I don't know why it's not USB type C. Very strange. Okay, there's the hole for the there's the door for the battery. How do I open? You press this button on both sides and it's not that easy. Okay. That's the battery. Pause the video if you wanna read it. Now I cannot flip the screen, but I bought the cage, but it will come tomorrow on next day. And with the cage, the microphone will be somewhere around here, because now, like you can see, it's big no. But no worries. Let me switch the camera and we will test this beautiful microphone. Now this is the settings. Now let's test the range. Now the microphone is set to normal, and yeah, let's see. I will go back a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me now? I hope you can hear me. I will try to stay with the same volume. 1, 2. Can you hear me now? I will try to stay with the same volume. It's a bit far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 steps. Now I will switch to plus 20. Plus 20 is right now. Okay, so now it will be a little bit too loud. I will go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you hear me now? I think you can hear me really good. Can you hear me now? I'm a bit far away from the camera. Now can you hear me now? I'm really far away from the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. 20 now, 21. I lost 19. Anyway, it's a very nice now, my friend, we will test sides. Now I'm speaking to you directly to the microphone. Let's go to my left, your right. Now I am on your right, my left. Let's say it's a right side. Now I am behind the camera.
I am behind the camera, about 30 centimeters behind the camera. Now I'm on the left side of the camera and the microphone, of course. Let's go on the front. Now I'm on the front. Now let's do the wind test. Wind noise. Let's press power. We have some wind here. So how can you hear me? Good. Let me press the noise cancellation function. 75. Noise cancellation 75. And noise cancellation 150 with the wind. Let's turn off. Okay, no wind. I just received a cage. Look at the cage. It has all the cutouts and all the holes exactly where they should be. See, this is the downside. See, for the battery. This is for the tripod. Again, on this side, another hole. And bottom, okay, I already showed you the bottom. This is the U rig. It is very nice. Let me turn off the camera. Let it. Oh, very nice process. Anyway, like you can see, whole knobs and buttons are usable. I can switch this and this, and I can even use a light, flashlight. Look, see, no problem at all. And of course, the screen. I can take the screen up all the way, and now we can see it. See this also. See, we can see ourselves. My English not that great, and we can use a microphone and everything. It's a very, very nice cage. UU rig cage. And I think now the setup is complete. One more feature. This microphone has a power button, but you don't need to press it. When you turn on the camera, it will turn on by itself. And when you turn off the camera, it will also turn off by itself, just like that. There is also a safety channel, which will lower the output for the right channel of dual mono signal by 10 decibels. This will help ensure the signal does not creep when expected spikes in the level occur. Sorry, my English not that great. Can we do it? Press the both buttons, and yeah, now it's on. Now the one channel should be 10 decibels lower. So what's the conclusion? This microphone will give you a very nice range and a little bit dark sound. I think it's a little bit too dark, but that's just me. It's also a little bit expensive, but you have to pay to play. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.